The word dry, it's very small. It has only 3 letters, D, R and Y. Though it has 3 letters, it has got a very broad meaning in it. D stands for do not, R stands for repeat, Y stands for yourself. That means do not repeat yourself. In your real time, you should not repeat mistakes. You have to learn from the mistakes and make sure that you are not repeating the mistakes. If you don't repeat mistakes, you will have a peaceful life. If you keep on repeating the mistakes, you will have a life, but peace may not be there in that. Similarly, if you take QA engineers, you should not write duplicate test cases. That means you should not repeat the same test case again and again. The problem with that is, if you have duplicate test cases, you would be executing, or you will be executing the same test case multiple times. That means it's a waste of time. Okay, to save your time and the maintenance of test cases, please don't write duplicate test cases. Next, when it comes to development, when you are writing a code as a developer, you have to make sure that you are not repeating the code. If you write duplicate code, in future, if you have to perform any bug fixing, you have to make sure that in all those duplicate code blocks, the logic is properly changed. Otherwise, it may give more issues for you in future. So, as a developer, make sure that you are not repeating the code. So what you can do in a class, if you have some code which you need in multiple methods, make sure that you are defining a private method in that class and use that method wherever you want in that particular class. If you want a code block, or if you need a code block across classes, then define a separate class with that code block and then use that method wherever you want. So that way you will not be repeating the code, and whenever you have to do bug fixing, you will simply change the logic of whatever method you are or you have defined, right? So once you fix the problem there, all those places wherever it is being used will be corrected automatically. So that way you can have a peaceful coding life. Okay, so from this, what I wanted to let you know, or what I wanted to tell you, is that either in your real time or in your coding life or in your QA life or in your quality assurance life, please don't repeat yourself. In real time, don't repeat mistakes. In QA life, don't repeat test cases. In development life, don't repeat code. I hope this one helps you. Have a good time.